Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader in X2. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, NFP is over, and NFP was really shocking because we got this candle right after NFP. If you look at a market sentiment, we can see gold surges above 3340 as weak jobs data fuels Fed rate cut bets. Gold jumps after July job report. And what was the reason? The expected NFP number was around 110k jobs. Okay. In the morning, we discussed that if the number comes around 120, 130, then there is a possibility that market may go sideways. If you have been watching my videos, okay, we have discussed earlier also that for a market to take a direction, we need something unexpected, isn't it? And yesterday, something unexpected happened. Okay, the number came around 73,000 jobs. To be honest, this was the lowest number I have seen on NFP. Expected number was 110, and the number came 73,000 jobs. Okay, and there was a big difference between the expected number and the actual number. As a result, we saw a huge drop on the chart of DXY dollar index. This was the candle formed by the market after NFP, and we got this humongous candle on the chart of gold. And my dear friends, for the last few days, we have been discussing that overall the chart of gold may be bullish, but if you look at the recent candles on a daily chart, we can see that gold is sideways. In fact, yesterday also I told you guys that if you have been holding your buy position, hold your buy position because gold was standing at support. And yes, charts speak before the news. Okay, charts do speak before the news, and yesterday also we got an example. So market was just standing at a support of the previous levels. Then market also was standing around the 100 moving average, and beautifully it went up. So those who were on the buy side, hope you guys made good profit. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then listen to me carefully. And my friends, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker, especially after the Xness incident or issue, okay, you can consider opening your account with Vantage. Vantage is a global brand. It's an official partner of Ferrari, okay, and Vantage doesn't require any introduction. Okay, Vantage is super regulated. They also provide insurance up to $1 million, also a member of the Financial Commission. So if you're from India and looking for a reliable forex trading broker, you can consider joining Vantage. Okay, if you use our referral link, okay, by clicking here or by downloading the mobile app, you'll also get access to our WhatsApp community. So feel free to join Vantage if you're looking for a safe, reliable forex trading broker, because trading obviously requires a lot of things, but your platform should be safe and secure. Feel free to join. The link will be in the description. And if you're wondering what happened to Star Trader, okay, don't worry, Star is also a very good option for traders like us. Okay, I have been using Star for a long time. Okay, if you're with Star, okay, then also nothing to worry. Star is also one of the best broker that I have seen till date. Okay, if you want to join Star or go with Star, you can also go with Star. The link will be in the description, okay, in my website. Okay, now let's talk about gold again. So gold is going up. So what do we see here? We can see that we have a possibility of further upside. At least we can upside till 3420, 3430, because last time market made a high of 343536. So this time also we can expect that at least gold will be heading towards this level, because see, whenever market was coming down to the support, market was going up. It was unable to form another all-time high, but market is going up. Okay, so at least we can expect that market will break 3400 and head towards 3450, 3460. For the all-time high, obviously, okay, market needs to go above 3500. And right now it is very difficult to predict whether market will be able to break 3500 or not. I don't think so. Okay, so at first, let's see whether market is able to break 3400 or not. It will be better for us to proceed step by step. But again, I'm repeating, if you have been holding buy on gold, you can hold your buy position with a stop loss below 3, 3, 3350. Yesterday it was 3250. Today it is 3350. So hold your buy position with a stop loss video 3350. And those who are looking for fresh position in the market, your strategy is simple: buy at dip or buy at retracement. If market doesn't come for retracement, then we will have to buy at breakout. The market opening is going to be important for us. So after the market opening, okay, if we see the gold is coming down, then the next support is around 3355 to 3350. The blue box, remember the blue box from our previous videos? It was the resistance. The same resistance will become the new support, and 3350 is also a round number, psychological support. So if market comes down with low volume, means if you see the market opening is like a normal Monday market opening, then you can expect the market will be taking support around 335550. If it does, we can look for a buy position. And if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure after the market opening, market has formed a big red candle, market is going down. In that scenario, on that just avoid buying around 3350 and wait for the next support, which is around 3340 to 38. This is the next support on the chart of gold. If market takes support around this area, then we can look for a buy position. I don't think so. Right after the market opening, gold will be going below 3340. But still, market is full of surprises. If market does anything nasty, we will discuss in our next video on Monday. But as of now, if market comes for retracement, these are the two levels where we can look for a buy position as a retracement level. And if market starts going up right after the market opening, then I will suggest you not to buy, because see, we have two scenarios. After the market opening, either the market will come down or the market will go up. If it comes down and takes support around the levels that we discussed, we can buy. हम buy कर सकते हैं retracement में. If it doesn't come and go up, then obviously it will be difficult for us. Okay. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? Okay, we will wait, because if you buy right at the opening, then it will be risky. Okay, we need some consolidation. So wait for the market to consolidate for 2 to 3 hours. After the consolidation, okay, let me show you how it will look like. After the consolidation, if you see market like this, okay, then you can draw a line at the, okay, the line is too fat. You can draw a line like this, and when the market will break the range, okay, then you can buy at breakout. Okay, it will be better for you. But as of now, we do not have any levels, so we need a consolidation, because without consolidation, if a breakout comes, then it is high risk. So let the market consolidate during the Asian session, then go for a buy at breakout. It will be safer for us. But as of now, we don't have much to discuss. Okay, just wait for the market to open. And many of you are still holding buy, I know, because I received few emails yesterday. Hold your buy position, enjoy the day. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend.